So check this out, you guys. You are going to be able to copy a six-figure affiliate campaign, and right before your eyes, I'm actually going to deploy it and show you exactly how this works. This is so incredibly powerful that by the end of this video, you're going to be super excited to simply just copy and paste this into your business and life. So if you're looking for some extra income, maybe you want to earn $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 plus extra per month, working very part-time, this video is for you. We're going to be leveraging the affiliate marketing business model. It's going to be super exciting. You guys are going to get access to your own members area, your own email follow-up series, your own traffic sources that you're able to copy from a proven campaign. And this campaign has been growing over the course of the past 50 days, and it's improving each and every single day. So if you've been following this campaign from the start, congratulations. So this is the actual campaign. Made a minor but massive modification that's going to help you guys bring in even more sales and even more high ticket commissions. So what I want to do first is, for the new people to the channel, let's go ahead and show you the results of this campaign, and make sure that you go ahead and you subscribe to this channel and tick the bell icon so you receive frequent updates on this specific campaign. So first off, let's run you through the results of this campaign to prove that it's making six figures. And not only is it making six figures in commissions, cash commissions, but we added an extra feature where you can actually earn in crypto as well. So here's one income stream, nearly $29,000 in this income stream. This income stream we added on the 23rd of January, almost $7,600 here, $28,873 in this income stream. And in this income stream, if we go over to affiliates and we go to commissions and we scroll down to the bottom, you can see that this resulted in $3,378 in commissions. And last but not least, this specific income stream, I'm at the top of the leaderboards. So this campaign works for me, and it's going to be working well for my team when they start implementing it today. And then you can see the actual results from this income stream right here, which is $35,950. So what you're noticing is there's various different income streams that you're going to be able to plug into inside of this ecosystem that's not only going to allow you to earn from one specific product and one specific income stream, but many, as you've been able to see right here. So essentially, this is what you're going to be able to do. You're going to copy this whole entire process. You're going to copy my YouTube traffic sources, my Facebook traffic sources, my email traffic sources, and this whole entire funnel right here. Now, you don't need to know too much about this funnel right now, because the training on the inside of the members area that you're going to get access to at the end of this video is going to show you how to set all this stuff up. But essentially, to summarize, you're going to take people throughout a funnel where they're going to enter their name and email address. That prospect or those group of prospects, they're going to receive email follow-ups. You're going to be able to download my YouTube videos, upload them to a separate channel, drive traffic through those videos, get people to know, like, and trust you through my authority and my results, and get them to buy these products and services over here that can earn you up to $3,000 commissions. Again, I showed you guys some of these, of course, products here and the commissions that we've been able to earn. So you're going to learn more about these products on the inside of the members area, but nonetheless, wanted to give you guys this overview so you can see the power of what you're going to be able to copy by the end of this. So the unique little extra bit that we added here was this members area that you're going to be able to copy as your own and use it in conjunction with the rest of the marketing. The reason why I added this is so people can get plugged into the income streams much faster than having to go through this whole entire YouTube video series. The whole entire YouTube video series, of course, is training in of itself, but it's also structured to drive traffic to these different offers. So essentially, let's go ahead and let's show you what this campaign actually looks like. So step number one, you need to get a free trial to a software called Kartra. That's a web-based software. You don't have to download anything to your computer, so do not worry. Click the link below, start your free trial, and now you're about to see the power of this specific software in action, because you're literally going to be able to copy and paste with one click of a button my campaign into your Kartra back office. So assuming you click the link below, you got access to the back office, you're going to be on this page right here. All you need to do is go down to campaigns right here. And then you're going to go to available campaigns and you're going to click on import right here. When you click on import, there's going to be a code in the description of this video below. And all you got to do is paste that code right here, click on next, and then follow the on-screen instructions. You can see that I've already imported this campaign into this test account right here. So just hit next, complete the on-screen instructions, and then once you do that, you're going to see the campaign right here in available campaigns. Then all you need to do is click on deploy campaign, okay? When you deploy this campaign, we just need to put a prefix. So let's put DFY and click on import. Now what's happening is it's taking all these assets from my Kartra account and putting them into your Kartra account. So it says this process can take up to 60 seconds. So we just got to be patient, maybe have a little cup of coffee. And now it's imported. Now what we could do is we can jump over here to pages. You can see all the pages right here that you're going to be using within this campaign. You're going to be promoting those pages and driving traffic through them using my YouTube videos, which we're going to show you again how to do later on inside of the actual members area. So you can see pages, we've got some forums right here. We've got your own membership site right here, which is gonna be super, super powerful. So to show you the difference between both of these pages, this page specifically runs people through the entire 30-day series of the campaign from start to finish that you're gonna be able to copy and then customize the links how you wish. Again, inside of the members area, it shows you how to do this. This link right here allows people to just copy the members area and switch out my affiliate links with their affiliate links. So it's two different marketing angles that lead to the same exact result. So now what you're going to be able to do, now that you're in the members area, is you can go to memberships right here. You're going to click on the three dots and you're going to click on edit. Then you're going to click on edit again. Once you're inside of the edit section right here, you're going to scroll down, click on save and next, and then we're going to launch the builder right here. Now at this point, you should be plugged into your different income streams. If you're not plugged into your different income streams, do not worry. There is a step below that will allow you to get plugged into all of these income streams, okay? When we go to campaigns over here, you're going to go through these income streams. You're going to plug into these income streams first. So as a user in the step below where you get access to the high ticket affiliate accelerator, should be roughly the third step. What you're going to be doing is first, you're going to go through this process as a customer, and then you're going to copy this process for yourself, which then leads us up to this point, right? So again, as a customer, you're going to go through this. You're going to sign up for your different income streams here, and then you're going to get this set up. And then all you need to do is go to campaigns here, go to 0 to 10 campaign, and then you're going to switch out your affiliate links for the affiliate links that you see below here, right? So switch out the HBA My Link with your link, click on save, and then hover over here, do the same thing here, click on edit, replace, click on save. And then you're going to do that here as well for multiple income funnel. And then right here on this specific step, you're going to delete here. Okay. You're going to delete this and you're going to delete this. And then you're just going to delete this right here because you're not using that step. After you do that, then you're set up and you're good to go. Now the campaign assets section right here is going to allow you to copy all of my assets, okay, from this members area to the YouTube videos. This is where you're going to get the training on exactly how to copy all those assets that I talked about right here, okay? Very simple and straightforward. Now, I did add an extra campaign here, and we will be adding more campaigns. So if you want to start earning money with crypto, there's the CMB campaign right here. Again, so far we have 2 campaigns available. we've got their given assets available here. What you can also do is go to the home page and you can customize this as you wish with your own photos, if you wish to do that, and then just simply keep all of the other links intact. And if you want to include your own Instagram link right here, you could do that as well. Just hover over this link, highlight it, and then click on the hypertext link right here and replace with your link. So you can customize this as you wish. You can change the text up if you want to too. And then you can simply hand the authority off to me since I'm the teacher and I'm the trainer. So you essentially say something like, hey, thank you so much for joining this private members area. You're going to learn so on and so forth as I described right here. The trainer, Joshua Elder, a 7-figure affiliate marketer, is going to teach you exactly how to get these campaigns set up, and then click here to get started, right? And what you can also do is you can change out, the image here with your image. You can customize this to yourself as much as you want. Just make sure you're handing the training off to me so it's a smooth transition, so it makes sense for the customer and the user, okay? So that is it for the entire campaign. Once this is all deployed inside of your account, right? You're going to go over here. And once you've customized all the links, just as I've shown you in this video, you're going to click on save and exit, save and exit, save and next, and save and next. And then what we could do is we can jump over here and we can start promoting our different pages here. So we can click on get code or link. Once we click on the little 3 dots here, get the page link, and we can share this link right here. What you can also do is you can actually customize this with your own domain. You can click on manage your custom domain. So if you bought a domain with Namecheap or GoDaddy, this will show you how to connect that domain to this capture page here. Okay, and you can use these different links. You can follow the exact methodologies that I use in my videos so you know exactly which link to share in the description, or you can simply share both, which is what I'm going to start doing. So to get access to all of these steps, they are below in the description. And man, you're well on your way to start earning big commissions online working part-time. And I'm super proud of this because this is nearly 2 months in the making. I'm excited to gift it to you for free today. So go ahead, get your Kartra account, import this campaign, switch out my affiliate links with your affiliate links. Make sure you join the different income streams, and the training on how to do that is going to be in the description below. So just follow the description step by step and you will be set up and good to go to start earning $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 plus per month, working very part-time, standing on the shoulders of giants, leveraging my success. So go ahead, follow the instructions below. We'll see you in the next video.